A lot of changes occurred this year. This year has been a mix of both joy and sadness, and I think it is now time for me to unpack everything. I had to accept a lot of things even before I began this year. Just so you know, guys, I lost my mother due to COVID-19 back in 2021. Getting into 2023, I had to accept that in all of the hardships and good times this year might bring, I just wasn't going to spend all of that with her. And to be honest, it really hurts. It really hurts.
One of the things that has made me slowly heal my wound of losing my mother is journaling, like really getting into my feelings and channeling everything that I feel into a piece of paper. And then maybe 6 months later, I read through everything and really think about how am I feeling right now, Like I was just looking back at journal pages from like 2021 when the wound was still fresh and I was still really depressed, So looking back then and looking now at the present, it's like I've come a long way and I've slowly healed.
Journaling has hugely helped me. It has taught me to accept my current situation and try to adopt or find solutions to help me through whatever I was going through. I went to a therapy once after I'd lost my mother, and to be honest, it made no difference. Journaling to me became therapy. Therapy I didn't have to pay for, and I'm so grateful to whoever made the video on journaling that inspired me to start journaling. Besides channeling, walking has also tremendously helped me clear my mind. I did some research on the benefits of walking, and one of them was that it relieves stress. So I've been taking walks for the past 2 years, every now and then. In a few weeks, I'll be going on holidays, and I feel like I haven't spent enough time with my friends.
was offline for 3 weeks, and all I ever did was go on adventures with my cousin, and that gave me a new perspective on life and also helped me clear my mind. Chasing adventure has helped me generate new ideas for my channel and has helped me explore myself, which gave me clarity on my goals and the direction I'm headed on as a person.
I'm having fun. Woohoo!
I have a good feeling about the year 2024 and most importantly, what this year might bring. But I must also learn to embrace whatever this year might bring, whether it's bad or whether it's good. So, with that being said, Happy New Year, guys. I hope 2024 becomes a year of breakthroughs. I don't know what to say, but yeah, I wish you a great year. Peace out.